My name is Peter Hess. I'm the Campus Director of Operations and Education, as well as the Program Director for both Culinary Arts and Restaurant Management and our Pastry Arts program. Really cool class we have. It's the 7th term. It's a restaurant simulation class. It's a culmination of all their studies, so it builds into the business plan model that they established in their management classes. It also brings about menu planning and standardizing recipes and costing out your menu items, and then that's all created into basically the restaurant course. So the students collectively come up with a name for their restaurant, a concept, their menu, and then basically what they do is they prepare and then serve their menu, what they created, to the guests.
Today we're starting off with meatballs with a red sauce and then some mozzarella cheese on top.
Yes, please.
Because this was or is an actual restaurant, they're kind of now getting in touch in the organization and the certain procedures, even protocols, and really just moving around from space to space that would be that of what would take place in a restaurant too.